Hello, Namaste. This is the Ghost Maths Academy. Today my topic is rational numbers. That means rational number means the numbers which can express in the form of p by q form. The decimals can either terminating decimal or non-terminating decimals which can express in the form of p by q. That is called rational numbers. Some students are facing a problem, that is how to pure recurring decimals express in the form of p by q. Mixed recurring decimals how expressed in the p by q form. I can use now simple technique. See here, 0.3333 and so on. So 3 is a number is recurring. So that is 3 is a period. One digit is recurring. So 0.3 bar. So what is my technique here? One digit is recurring. One digit is recurring. You write denominator 19. One digit is recurring, so write denominator, in denominator write 9. Two digits are recurring, write 2 nines. Three digits are recurring, write 3 nines. This is my simple technique. Okay, so 0.3 bar is nothing but 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. That is 1 by 3 is the p by q form for 0.3 bar. Now go for this 0.23. See here, 2 digit is recurring, that is period is 23. So we can write here 0.23 bar. It is a pure recurring. So 23 is 2 digits. Write denominator 2 nines. That is write here 23 by 999. 23 by 99, 2 digits. Okay. Suppose you are writing the 3 digits 0.347. That means you write 0.347 bar is nothing but 347 by how many digits recurring here? 3 digits. So write here 3 nines. This is a simple technique for pure recurring decimals. What about mixed recurring decimals? Suppose you write it 0.23 bar. That means 3 bar is a recurring, 2 is not recurring, that is a mixed recurring, not recurring. How is this one? So, my technique here, recurring in denominator, one digit is recurring, so 1 9. 2 digits are recurring, 2 nines. 3 digits are recurring, 3 nines. Next, not recurring. One digit for 1 0, 2 digit for 2 zeros. One not recurring, 1 digit for 1 0, 2 digit for 2 zeros. See how you can write this one. First of all, 0.23. Take whole part. What is the whole part here? 0.23. Total number is 23. 23 minus, which is not recurring. Not recurring digit is 2. 23 minus 2. By what is our technique here? For recurring is 9. Non-recurring for 0. That is our technique. Total number is 23, which is not recurring. Not recurring part you want to subtract. So this is 21 by 90 is the p by q form for 0.23 bar. Suppose same this one 1.23 bar. How we can write this one? 1.23 bar. See, we want to write in denominator for part of after decimal part. See now, what is the total number? Total number is, you want to write total number 1.23, write the whole part. That is total number is 123. Total number is, remove the decimal also, write total part 123 minus, which is not recurring part. Recurring part is 3 bar. Not recurring part is 1 2. Write the digit, total digit 1 2. That is not recurring. What is it? Understand please? Total digit you want to write 123 minus, which is not recurring. One is not recurring, 2 is not recurring. So that is a 1 2 by what is our denominator after decimal. You want to write in denominator after decimal. Recurring part is 9. Non-recurring part is 0. 1 is recurring, that is 9. Non-recurring is 0. So 123 minus 1 2, that means 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1, 111. 111 by 90 is the answer. Take another one. 12.346. Here 4 6 is recurring. What is our aim? After decimal for denominator. For what about our numerator? Numerator value, write the total digit. What is the total digit? Total digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Remove the decimal and also write the total digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 minus what is not recurring? Non-recurring. So 4, 6 is a recurring. 1 is not recurring. 2 is not recurring. Right? What is not recurring? 123 by. We want to write the denominator after decimal. So this part is for denominator. How we get it in this one? How many digits are recurring? 4, 6 is recurring. That means 2 digits recurring. 2 digits recurring means write 2 nines after decimal. So after decimal 3 is 1 digit is not recurring. So write here 0. First of all write total digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 minus which is not recurring digits total part 123. Remove the decimal. Next, for denominator we want to write recurring for nines, non-recurring for zeros. Recurring digits 2 digits recurring, write 2 nines. Non-recurring digit is 3, that is 1 digit is not recurring, so 1 0. Suppose 2 digits are not recurring, write 2 zeros. Recurring digits here 4 6, 2 digits, write 2 nines. That means subtract here 6 minus 3 3, 4 minus 2 3 minus 1 1. That is 1 2 1 2 3 by 990. This is the answer. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.